everyone, and welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out the door. My kids have suffered long enough, and it is time to go grocery shopping. And I'm going to my favorite store, or one of them. So see where I'm going, and let's get started. I've got my list. I'm ready to go, and this is where I'm at. I sure do love WinCo. Yeah, $5, that's a good price for these. The boys are loving the green apples with some peanut butter and coconut on it. It's so good. So if you like yams, they are what I think is a good price, but our family will never have anything like this again. And I will tell you a story about that in a little bit. So right before I left, Ezra's like, make sure you get me some Oreos. And I'm thinking more like, yeah, maybe I'll get him some store brand ones so that way I won't eat them. They have the best priced potatoes here. My goodness, $1? Yes, please. So I followed my list. Pretty full, but I think I've had it fuller. So we'll see how much it comes out to be. I always feel like WinCo, I get a lot more for my money, so I even got some more items that I don't normally get. So I'm back, and I want to show you everything I got, and I feel so good about what I've spent, and so let's get started. I will show you also some of my meal planning too. WinCo has such great prices on everything, so butter's under $3, yogurt's under $2, like those kinds of things. Plus, if you can get things from the deli, like this is medium cheddar. Oops, knocking over things back there. But $3.70 for more than a pound, so I love it. So we need Monterey Jack because I'm doing some egg rolls, Tex-Mex egg rolls. I love getting the frozen bread because that's really go-to meals for making pizza or some scones, those kinds of fun stuff, or Navajo tacos. I got ham because I have an idea with making some little pizzas. So I want to have those, and making some taco soup. I love the salad mixes, so I got a couple. Aside from Costco, WinCo has the best sourdough bread. My son and I both agree. Just some more eggs, some tortillas. Now, some of these ingredients are just going to be go-to ideas. So I can have that with breakfast with some eggs, or I can make some enchiladas because I do have my Zaycon chicken in the back freezer. It's 40 pounds of chicken, so I have some go-to meals I can go and use those tortillas for. Of course, I have to get the orange chicken since I'm there. Nathan's hot dogs, some buns. That will go with some pasta, I'm sure. Or we do have a roast, so I think that'll go with that as well. Ezra wanted some Go-Go's. Now, I don't usually get too many boxes of prepared or processed rice. I like just making it myself. But I have a recipe that I was thinking about at WinCo that I'm going to show you, and it's super, super good. So that recipe also needs cream of chicken, so that's why that's there. I saw this, it was like $2.50, and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to try it with some chips because I'm feeling a little snacky right now. I'm doing some Tex-Mex egg rolls I'm super excited about. I saw these, and we do like to get the spicy Doritos. I was just hoping maybe that would taste the same. And if it is, it's like half the price. Same with these. We like wavy chips because Ezra likes to eat dip. So I'm okay with that as long as he'll eat, which right now is very minimal. Okay, so loves Grandma Sycamore. But Ezra asked specifically for celery so he can put peanut butter and raisins, so ants on a log. And I got some broccoli and some zucchini. Also, you saw the carrots. So I'll be making a stir fry. Okay, so he also asked for cookies, and so I just got the store brand. You saw that. And I also got some crackers because I'm feeling like maybe if I make them like a Lunchable that maybe he would eat his lunch a little bit more with some veggies and some fruit and things like that. So there's some nacho sauce. I saw these were on sale. They were like 80 cents, I believe, each can. So the Sloppy Joe sauce. So I thought another recipe came to mind. I like to fry up some potatoes and then make the Sloppy Joes and put it on top of the potatoes with some cheese, and it makes it super yummy. Here's some more potatoes, some sliced cheese, some Parmesan. So these will go on the little pizzas. Then I got 3 ground beefs. These are the lean ones. They're about $5 each or so. Perfect for 3 meals right there. Sour cream. And so I get these cereals because my kids don't really eat like a bowl of cereal with milk. They'll just eat like a handful as a snack. So here's some green apples. We put peanut butter on them. Here's a roast. So Paul got a new smoker about a month ago or so, and he's only used it once or so. It was so good. So I got a beef roast. We used a pork roast last time. So here's another impromptu meal. I got stuff to make fajitas, and then this was another thing I got for Ezra because I just don't know what he's eating right now. So maybe he'll eat those. I don't know. Okay, so crushed tomatoes. I am finally going to be making my own pizza sauce. So I had a friend, a viewer, send me their recipe. So Cheryl Smith, I'm going to be making your recipe over the weekend. So I'll let you know. I'm sure we're gonna love it. I already printed out the recipe. And let's see, a couple of little treats for lunches. Some Crystal Light, that's the store brand. And then I just got the store brand paper products. And there's Ezra's milk. Good grief, this kid. And then I just got these right now. Just thought maybe the kids could just heat that up and eat it right now. They could split it. But I'll tell you what, whenever I go grocery shopping, I just don't want to cook. Before I put this away, I wanted to tell you the story about the yams and the sweet potatoes. So the reason we won't be getting anything that resembles a sweet potato is because my husband, Paul, is allergic to it. Like, we were trying to eat like sweet potatoes a few years back. It was probably like 5 or so years now. And he just got like the itchy face. And then the next time we had sweet potatoes, you know, we're like gung-ho, we're eating right, we're having different kinds of foods. And the next morning, like, his face looked like Will Smith in Hitch, if you've ever seen that movie. And it was so bad. And he like wakes me up. He's like, do you think my face is swollen? And I'm like, whoa, take a picture of that and send it in because you cannot go to work. It was so, it like very much inflammation. It's the protein in sweet potatoes that he looked at. He looked at his research. Some people are allergic to the protein in sweet potatoes. So he is that way. So I cannot buy yams. I know they're not in the same family, but to Paul, it means the same thing. So no yams for our family, no sweet potatoes for our family, but can you believe it? All right, on to the meal planning. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13-ish meals. So you can see some of them are my go-tos like Tex-Mex egg rolls. Let's see, some arroz con pollo. So I'll link some of these videos below in the description box. We always like to do a breakfast for dinner, but the yellow chicken rice, I'll show you this in the next week or so. And let's see, the pork or the roast, yum yum, taco soup, love taco soup, super excited about that. So all of this, and I spent $167. Can you believe it? Like, that to me is well worth going to WinCo, even though it's not super close, just heading over to the WinCo. So you may have a local store that is fairly inexpensive, maybe like an Aldi or a WinCo or a Walmart. Those kind of stores are so family friendly for us, and I love going. So, well, I better unpack all of these things and put them back where they go in the fridge and the freezers, whatever. But I wanted to tell everybody, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for visiting my channel, and thank you so much for the kind words that you've been giving me. It's just so nice to know that there are friends out there that are watching my videos, liking what I'm doing. I know it's not super healthy, but right now, 4 growing boys, I just need to make them happy and get them done. And like I said, slicing up some apples with those meals, you know, putting out some dip with those vegetables and adding that to like maybe something that's not always the healthiest, just gives it a little bit more health. So I really, really love having everybody come and stop by in the comments. I love the comments and I love interacting and I love writing back. So thanks for stopping by and stick around. Oh, I want to tell you one more thing. We're going to put Jonas's video on Saturday morning, so check him out. It's going to be on Saturday morning, and it's super cute. He's been loving, he wants to make a new video every day. It's super cute. So we're going to start doing those on Saturday morning. So if you have some kids and they want to watch some stuff on Legos or some games, stick around. They're going to be coming out on Saturdays. So come back, because you never know what I'll be rolling out next.